Look at what we got here. This is the creek on the west border of the property, and that is a rather massive, and I do mean massive, softshell turtle. And I'm gonna pick them up and I'm gonna move them around, and I don't know if I'm gonna do it with the phone or not, because these things are horribly aggressive, and his neck is super long. But first I'm gonna get something to put them in, and then I'm gonna see if I can scoop them up, put them in it, close them up. Man, that is a beautiful specimen of a softshell turtle right there. Man, that is huge. Massive. Alright, here we go. First, let's see how he reacts to that. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's not happy. He's running. He's running. That part down. That's pretty cool. Alright, he's fast. Now I'm trying to think and decide whether I just want to slide this top underneath them and latch them in, or if I want to flip it over and pick them up and put them in there. I already got them this far underneath it, and if I put that lid under them, he's just going to crawl on top of the lid for me. Let's well, I'm gonna need both hands, so just bear with me. Alright, so he's in there. I think I'm zoomed in. Let me get back out. Alright, there we go. Sorry guys about that. So, yeah, that thing's massive, dude. That is a massive softshell turtle. What's up? Whew. Whew. That's serious. Alright. Hey, man, it's a beautiful, beautiful life. I love what I do. Hope you enjoyed this video. I might do another one, you know, a little bit of a close-up on him. I've done other videos about these soft shells before that I caught. Honestly, I think this is probably the biggest one I've ever caught in my life. Actually, there's no doubt this is the biggest one I've ever caught. He is huge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.